Luma has just released version 1.5 of its Dream Machine AI video generator to the public, enhancing its text-to-video function. Is it a breakthrough? Will it meet the expectations of AI cinematographers obsessed with creating cinematic realistic videos? We at AI Filmmaking Academy immediately put it to the test and compared it to its main competitors. Stay with us to see the results. In this video we will cover 3 topics. First, we will check how Luma's Dream Machine 1.5 text-to-image function performs when it comes to generating cinematic, realistic footage and following precise cinematographic directions included in the prompt. Then we will show you what you need to include in the text-to-video prompt to make sure that an AI video generator understands your intentions. Lastly, we'll compare Luma's text-to-video function with its main competitors, Runway Gen-3 and Kling AI. Let's roll! But before we start, a small disclaimer. All the examples used in this video were generated in one take only, which means we have input the text prompt and hit the Generate Video button only once, and what you'll see are the results of this first and only attempt. Our first prompt includes clear instructions regarding the look of the hero and the style of the background. It's also packed with details covering lighting, mood and color palette. As usual, we specify the camera model, lens and type of film stock. We have to admit, Luma was very capable of reading our intentions. Later on, we fed the same prompt to Midjourney, which is known for greatly understanding cinematographers' needs. You can compare the results we achieved. It's clear that Luma did a good job here. Another example also boosted our mood. Clearly, our intentions in the prompt were well understood by Luma's engine and the execution was satisfying. It was not always the case though. Here is a not so spectacular attempt from Luma. Although the frame composition, overall mood, color palette and camera angle are a close interpretation of our intentions, the animation is far from what we wanted to achieve. There is a clear difference between a kid running for fun we got from Luma and a kid running away terrified in horror that we asked for. Luma missed the mark here. As filmmakers, when we use the text-to-video method to create cinematic AI films, we want the AI video generator to read our prompt closely and generate a scene that depicts not just some, but all of our creative and technical intentions. Aside from describing the hero and the action, which is obvious, several other cinematography elements need to be precisely described in the prompt. Frame composition, lighting, color palette, set and additionals, type of camera, lens and film, camera movement, animation and mood. You can write a short general prompt and sure, the AI video software will generate the scene based on it. But if you have a specific visual idea of the shot in your head and you want to see on the screen what your imagination has generated, you need to be very precise in your prompts and not rely on AI's own initiative. We have a saying at AI Filmmaking Academy: the more precise the prompt, the more credits stay in your wallet. Let's now compare Luma's capability to follow prompting, including all 7 elements we just discussed, to its close rivals, Runway Gen-3 and Kling AI. First example. Luma fully followed our directions here. Kling AI was close, but missed the set requirements. The tall, straight trees forming the forest are not what we asked for. Runway also missed the set requirements, but our main disappointment comes from not delivering the frame composition we wanted. We asked for a full body shot and got a kind of a medium cowboy shot of a man with a modern haircut. Not impressive. Second example is an extreme macro photography-like close-up. Both Luma and Kling AI did a pretty good job here, with an emphasis on Luma, which produced a more appealing visual. Sadly, Runway offered totally unsatisfactory animation. I doubt that even David Attenborough ever saw a bee with multiple heads. Third example was our second attempt to portray animals. This time we asked for a tracking shot of a fox deliberately, cautiously walking through the forest. Luma missed the point here as the fox is not moving, not walking at all. Kling AI and Runway equally followed the prompt, but we prefer the quality of the footage delivered by Runway 100%. Fourth example is a packshot type arc shot of a perfume bottle. Luma's creation mostly follows the prompt, with two exceptions. The bottle itself, as we asked for more luxury decorative style of the bottle, and the uninspiring camera movement, as we asked for an arc shot. On the plus side, Luma included the name of the perfume brand on the bottle. Kling's performance missed some elements of the set and additions, while Runway offered beautiful camera movement, the beautiful arc shot. Conclusions. First of all, we have to applaud Luma for making significant progress with its Dream Machine 1.5 text-to-video function. It is so much more attentive to prompts and reads them carefully, so we'd like to recognize Luma for their efforts. As filmmakers, though, we have to say we are not yet satisfied with the execution of the prompts. While Luma seems to be quite competent now in understanding what we want to see in the scene, it lacks in the delivery department. The camera movement and animation are not just there yet. Comparing Luma's text-to-video function to the same function in Kling AI and Runway Gen-3 Alpha, the results are, well, inconclusive. All of them are quite often, but not always, on the same level. Let us know what your experiences are and which one works best for you. We'd love to know your opinion. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button, notification bell, and subscribe to our channel for more AI filmmaking tutorials and tips. Leave your comments and suggestions for future videos in the comment section below, please. See you in the next video.